Hey guys, today I'm going to demonstrate an home automation project. It's actually really simple. So I have used a ESP32 microcontroller and a relay module to control this ordinary 9-volt bulb. This is compatible with many smart home apps such as Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, Samsung Smart Things, and etc. So as you can see, this is the microcontroller. I have also added a manual switch here, and this is the bulb, and this is the relay that is going to control the bulb. This is the manual switch here. This is the normal scenario. So if you click it, your bulb is going to turn on. We are going to automate this manual switch. So after automation, if you are not connected to the internet, you can also use the manual switch here. So this is our circuit diagram. As you can see, we have the ESP32 microcontroller here, and you've got 4 relays and 4 switches. This was originally designed for 4 bulbs. You can do slight modifications if you want to. We are going to flash our code in this microcontroller. The circuit diagram is in the description below. Next, you want to create your account in Syntric Pro. This is the hub where we are going to connect our ESP32 and the bulb. So you need to create your account. I've already logged in here, and as you can see, I've already created my device over here. You need to do that as well. So as you can see here, after configuring your device, you can actually turn on or off your bulb from the website. So after connecting your microcontroller to the internet, you can access this from anywhere around the world. So I'm going to turn on my bulb now. And as you can see, the bulb has turned on, and then I'm going to turn off my bulb, and it has turned off. So this is the code of the automation. I'm going to access my bulb from the Alexa mobile app. So after adding your device, you're going to come here to devices. You can see you've got two options. I'm going to click smart bulb. Then from here, it's just a click of button like that. And now I can even ask Alexa to do my work. Turn on smart bulb. Turn off smart bulb.
Okay.
Now I am in Google Home, so I've added my device already. So you can see I've turned it on and I've turned it off also. So how do you think it is? It's really easy. The parts are all available in Amazon and Flipkart, and you can do this in a really cheap rate, and it's also interesting to do as well.